What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got her up, shorty, should be that squishing the up. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her up, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her up, shorty ain't tripping, she got her go. Shorty, she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with one of my #1 favorite hair company, which is Unice, whatever you guys want to call it. Is there something sticking up back there? I feel like I saw something sticking up right there. But, yeah, so first thing first, y'all, my allergies is, like, really acting up right now. So you might hear me keep sniffing. I might have a sneeze attack while I'm recording this video. But, yeah. So, I was sent a pre-everything, which means it comes pre-cut, pre-bleach, and pre-styled, honey. This wig came pre-styled. Yes, you're gonna see when I do the unboxing. This wig comes pre-styled. I went ahead and, you know, just add some oomph to the curls. But y'all, these curls are giving. It's giving loose wave curls. It's not too much and it's not too little. It's just right. Y'all already know Unice hair is fire. Everything about Unice is fire when it comes to the lace, the plucking. Y'all, I did not pluck this hair not one bit. I did absolutely nothing. All I did was add my what you call it? My concealer to the lace, and that's just about it, y'all. And this is given lace wear, honey, and it's glueless, y'all. You can't go wrong. Like I said, this is a pre-everything wig, which means you literally do nothing. You just take out the thing, you just take it out the box and install it. If you want, you add your own coloring and everything. You can style however you want. But all I'm saying is, when y'all get this wig, y'all don't have to do anything to it. I say this wig is beginner friendly, like 100% beginner friendly. Before I used to say that, and I feel like it was, but in a way, a lot of people don't know how to really cut and style their hair. So this wig right here is literally 100% beginner friendly. You don't have to do nothing. The wig comes done for you, literally. Cut, styled, bleached, everything, y'all. Everything, plucked, everything. This wig comes done for you. Like I said, you guys already know I will always highly recommend Unice. I would highly recommend Unice hair, Unice wig, Unice everything. If they had clothes, I already know it would be fire too. But if you guys are interested in how I got this look, continue watching. The same exact link is going to be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I see you guys in another video. Bye.